Guys, we're having hurricane force winds here in Spring, Texas, and our power's cutting on and off. It's 3:30 in the morning, March 31st. This wind woke me up out of my sleep. Oh my goodness. I don't know what's going on. Crazy. Oh my goodness. This is at least 50, 60 mile an hour winds out here. Alright, I'm going back in. This could be tornadic. Here's a look at the radar during this wind event. As you can see, not much precipitation with it. Yeah, our wind was so strong early this morning, it bent our yucca trees. There's a big tree limb right here. So the cleanup begins. And that was a crazy windstorm. We hardly got any rain with it, and nothing showed up on radar. So that was just very strange, I must say. Out of nowhere, and it left just as quick as it came. Ducks made it through the storm okay, and so did we, I'm happy to say. So stay positive no matter what life or Mother Nature throws at you. Stay positive.